I have found the secret to the best, to the crispiest and the juiciest chicken wings recipe you would love, and I want you to learn how to make this. Oh yeah, go to your nearest supermarket and ask for some chicken wings pack. If it comes like this, divide it into two so that it can be plenty. Then you're going to gather all your favorite spices and marinate the chicken wings with your salt, your seasoning powder, your onion powder, your paprika, your white pepper, your ginger and garlic powder, and whatever favorite spices that you have. You guys, guess what? I added some soya pepper, guys, for that finger-licking taste and aroma. Sprinkle some parsley flakes if you like semere. But you see this corn flour, you need it, because when you top it up with a drizzle of oil and mix together thoroughly, it's going to help the chicken stay crispy outside and juicy inside. So make sure you get the corn flour and add it. So after marinating, we left the chicken to just sit down and chill for about 1 hour so that the spices can enter inside every corner, and then we are going to grill this in an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use anything you have, a charcoal pot, an oven. If you like, you can even fry it if that is what you have. Just make sure you use what you have, okay? So you guys, after grilling this for about 45 minutes, our juicy chicken wings is ready. You guys, let's settle this once and for all. Drumstick versus chicken wings, which one do you prefer? So I garnished this chicken wings with some parsley flakes, and it is ready to eat as it is hot. Gosh, this is so easy and super straightforward. Make sure you try. Bye guys.